like what were your insecurities of the event, and how was I able to help you solve them? Like, what were specific tactics that I worked
Yes.
with you on?
Well, one is obviously, I think you could probably hear in my previous answer that I did not want to sell. There's, even though I am somebody who personally embraces the word sales and marketing, and I don't have an issue with that, I did find that at certain previous events, when I would get into kind of a pitch, if you will, something that was pre prepared, that was a big jump for a lot of people, that maybe wasn't quite as a no-brainer as I don't know, some online course or something smaller. For big high ticket offers, I found that I definitely had a fear of selling, and it comes down to a lot of things. Fear of rejection. For me, the rejection wasn't so much about these people rejecting me, but more like, am I misusing their trust? And a big, huge part of it was actually setting up, even before the event, that there will be a continuation. One of the key things that you help me see is that if I craft an incredible life changing event, that's, scale of 1 to 10, let's give it a 7 or an 8. If I can create a program where they can actually implement this and take it to the next level, then that's what's off the charts. And I think I was limiting myself, thinking, well, they signed up for the event, so they just want the event. So if I'm adding this other thing, it's like I'm adding an extra and then asking, like, do you want to continue? Versus making the event from the get-go a part of a larger context and setting it up from the beginning and getting them super excited. So by the time they had a chance to hear about the program, I've dropped so many hints. I had already gotten myself super excited about it, right? Like, I think that's a key thing, is that I crafted a program that was such an incredible program that I couldn't wait to announce it, because I knew it was the best thing that I could possibly offer these people. And the limits around how much I should charge and all these decisions that previously would like take me out of the flow, having somebody to think through them and not minimize what I do. So charge enough, but also sometimes you talk to salespeople like, charge $50,000. They just throw out these random numbers. I don't feel like they actually understand my audience and what I'm trying to do, and what is the window of opportunity. That, sure, you can push me on some of my upper limits. I'm totally fine with that. But I really want it to be something that I feel is reasonable for my audience, my people. And there's so many ways to slice this, right? And so that's what it came down to. We were able to slice it in a way that I felt like, for the right person, identifying that right person, for the right person, it was undeniable that they were salivating and so excited. And that's exactly what happened. When I made the offer, we had this huge setback. I was doing my event in Puerto Rico. There was a series of earthquakes. We had a power outage. A couple of people didn't make it because of that, which was already incredible that most people still wanted to come to the event. But when they did come, like, I had less people to pitch to, and I still got the number of people that I wanted to join. So out of 9 people, 5 people signed up for this program, which was like my goal. And so it's using these setbacks as opportunities to say, okay, now I just got to do an even better job. Like, what else can I do? What else can I offer? So that these people are really, really clear that this is who it's for, this is what it can do, and that it makes it easy for them to really feel supported in saying yes.